Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make a small easy pouch that can be easily latched to your bag, and I'm going to make this using the DIY kit from craftingcottage.de. So let's look at the things that are there in the bag, and this kit has everything that you need, including the zipper, the buckle which is already attached to the front part, the top panel, and it has a interfacing already inside stitched in. So let's get started. What we have in the kit is two pieces of this long panel, which is 7 centimeters long and 6.5 centimeters in width. So we have the main cloth and the lining. Zipper is also 27 centimeters. Then we have a rectangular piece, which is 9.5 centimeters and 6.5 centimeters. Two pieces again, the main cloth and the lining. And then we have our top and the bottom part with the lining. And in the kit, you will also get the buckle attached to it, if 11 centimeters diameter. Needle and thread is already given in the kit. So today I'm not going to use the stitching machine. I'm going to use the needle and thread. This is super easy kit for somebody who wants to make something for a friend or start learning how to stitch. So I'm going to get started. So first thing, we're going to attach the zipper to our side panel. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to cover the zip like this, and you have to keep the wrong side out, and we're going to put the zipper in between them. So when we stitch, we're going to just flip this over like this. So we're going to put this here, and your kit has the 4 stitching buckles. We're going to make sure that it doesn't move, and we're going to place this with the stitching buckles. All right, so now our zipper is already stitched, and I have ironed the cloth, so we can see now this part is ready. Now we're going to attach this cloth to the zipper, increasing its length. For this, you have to bring your zipper in the center and make sure that you include these 2 locking areas and this locking area of the zip inside the cloth. So when we are stitching it, we will have to include this part and this part inside. Okay, so we are going to have again the wrong side out. I'm going to again secure this with the buckles so that it doesn't move. And we start stitching here. Include so that when we fold, we don't see this locking pin here. Okay, so this part is already stitched. We stitched it, and I'm just going to quickly iron this, and then we're going to attach this part to this end. Okay, so I ironed this, and now we're going to just flip this over. Now what we have to do is we fold this. Include this part inside so that this locking pin is inside our cloth stitch. And we can secure this with a clip. Same thing here, we fold it so that it covers our folded piece. We are going to lock this too with a clip. Okay, and we're going to stitch here. This is going to show, so we have to be a little neater, and we will go with a smaller stitch or an invisible stitch that is beneath this cloth. And okay, so when you're securing the pins, make sure that you have everything in the same line. All right, now we attach the bottom part first. So I'm going to first use this as a margin center, fold it like this because we want the four corners. We're going to just snip it very small triangles out of it so that it gives us the four corners. We do the same thing for this. All right, and now with our cloth clips, we're going to align these together, flip it over, wrong side out, and the wrong side out again. And we're going to align these cuts with what we have just marked. Finish this, putting this piping on top of my stitch, and it's ready piping, so all you have to do is just fold this piece like this and then do a simple stitch around it. Okay, so I'm done with the bottom part lining. I'm going to start attaching the top part. I have again marked my four corners, and I'm going to go ahead and use my cloth clips to attach the top. Again, the top side inside and the wrong side would be outside, and we start, and you have to make sure that your buckle is facing the back of your pouch. So we start with this.